So the next and the last part of our lesson deals with corrosion. Now here we have a picture of commonly seen things around us. For example, there's a copper pipe here, and you can see the green color copper carbonate that is formed, which actually corrodes and eats up the metal. Here we've got an iron part of the car being corroded. Here this is a brass door knocker, and the brass has got tarnished. And here we've got a silver spoon, what it would normally look like, and after it is tarnished or corroded, this is what it would look like. So various metals, they corrode when they come in contact with oxygen and moisture. So this part of the lesson deals with corrosion. And here we are going to stress on corrosion of iron or rusting of iron. So when iron rusts, what is really happening to iron is that iron loses its electrons, and therefore this part of the reaction is oxidation. It gets oxidized to Fe2 plus, and further by giving away one more oxygen, it eventually becomes Fe3 plus. So in this part of the lesson, we are going to see how iron corrodes. What are the things that are required for corrosion to take place? For corrosion to take place, we require the metal, we require oxygen and water. If any of these are missing, corrosion will not take place. Rusting is a type of corrosion where you will be seeing oxidation and reduction both taking place, and hence we can say that rusting is a redox reaction. In this reaction, since iron is going to be supplying the electrons, it gives away the electrons to oxygen. Iron, we say, is getting oxidized, while oxygen receives the electrons and gets reduced. So since iron is supplying the electrons, it's an agent or it's a helper, and therefore it's called a reducing agent. Similarly, oxygen will be called an oxidizing agent. In your book, you have a little activity which explains the factors required for rusting. Here we have got 4 test tubes, and you'll notice that 2 of the test tubes are open and 2 of them are closed with a rubber stopper tightly. Now in the first test tube, you've got an iron nail and you've got water and air. In the second one, we have a test tube with an iron nail, and there is a drying agent like calcium chloride, and the work of this drying agent is to take away all the moisture. So basically in this test tube, we have the iron nail and we have got air, but we have got no moisture or water. In the third test tube, we have taken the nail and we have filled the test tube up to the brim with boiled water. Now when we boil water, what we are actually doing is we are getting rid of the oxygen that is dissolved in the water. So basically there is no oxygen here. There is water definitely, there is the iron nail, but there is no oxygen because we have boiled and removed all the oxygen from it. And the fourth one is an open test tube. Therefore we can say that there is air, and there obviously the oxygen from the air, some of it will dissolve in the water. So water contains oxygen, there is moisture, there is air, and we have added salt also. And all these 4 test tubes are kept for some time, and after some time we will notice that the first test tube and the last test tube, since they had all the ingredients, that means they have the iron, the metal, they've got air and water, so corrosion will take place. The last test tube also, you'll find more corrosion taking place, just telling us that salt helps or aids the process of rusting or corrosion. Whereas these 2 test tubes, the second and the third one, since the second test tube did not have moisture because calcium chloride, the drying agent, absorbed all the moisture and did not make it available to the nail, there is no corrosion taking place on this nail. Similarly, the third test tube, it had boiled water, that means there is no oxygen, and it was closed, so there was no way oxygen could enter either, and therefore test tube number 2 and 3 did not corrode at all. The nails did not corrode, whereas in 1 and 4 they showed corrosion, and the test tube number 4 showed more corrosion because it had helper to help it corrode faster, that is salt.